going to show you how to replace the cabin air filters, plural, because there's two of them, on a Hyundai 03 Accent. The whole thingy is behind the glove compartment, and you don't actually need any tools. You shouldn't for this. It just requires a lot of struggling and stuff. So the way that you get this open is you just kind of pinch the sides, because this plastic is sort of soft and pliable, until these rubber thingies get past that lip. Okay, so then you got this piece, this vertical piece here, that's got to come out. And this thing, I didn't really have to detach it, but you know, you might have to. I just did it like that and was able to wiggle stuff around it. So the thing that's going to require a lot of struggling, and I'm going to have to put down my camera for this, is this vertical piece. It's got a tab at the top, that you push down, and so you can see the piece comes out, but it's just like they didn't leave any room for you to get the piece out, which means you kind of have to wiggle it like this in order to get it out. Oh, I didn't actually have to put my camera down. So unfortunately, there's a lot of gunk in there that's left over from the previous owners, because they just left this without air filters for years. And I don't really have any compressed air to get that stuff out, so I'm just going to ignore it and pretend like it's not there. So then I got some Ecolab brand air filters, and I'm going to install those. And I'll probably... I just got these off of Amazon, and they're like, I don't know, under $20, but I think some name brand ones from other companies are, you know, maybe less than $30 for a pack of 2. Still didn't have to pause the video to do this. Okay, so it's got an indicator on the end showing the direction of you know, the airflow. So you put the bottom one in first, and you want to have it pointing towards the driver's side. Alright, I'm going to pause this to put this in. I cannot get the autofocus to show what the inside looks like, so you're just going to have to guess. There's tubes and pipes and stuff, but it looks like, you know, there's just a channel for it to sit in. This does not want to get in there perpendicularly. Okay, I'm going to call that in. Now the other one, take it out of the plastic. Okay, and hopefully I can get this in there without this this cable-y thingy making it not possible. I don't know. In order to undo this thingy, you pinch this thingy. And then it slides off like that. So now I can get that out of the way. Airflow again is going to the left. Pause this so I can do this with both hands. Okay, I just got that in there. Now, see how it's got the tab at the bottom? That's gonna go in first. And then we'll just wiggle the rest of it to get it. Wiggle the rest of it to get it into place. So I want to do that with both hands. Okay, so I think I got it. Yep, I think I did. Alright. And this just fits over this thingy, but I think it was the other way around. Oh well. Yeah, I want to have it like... Nah, I want to have it a little further out. So I'm going to pull this all the way over because I want to have it just very firmly closing. Nice. Wait, is that opened all the way? I think. I think I like it where it's more like this. Yeah, I like it where it's got a more satisfying thud. Alright, so to put this back, just gonna pinch the side. Wait, no, please go back and clip. Okay, let's try this again. Pinch the side. Maybe I ought to do this side first. No, because this one's actually closer. Is this like bent or something? No? Just comes out real easy. Alright, I'm gonna do this with both hands. There. Okay, so. Yay. Now let's try it out. Good, good. Perfect. Ish. Yep, that's good enough. I like it.